What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Master Slave feature with your Bespar 60 lights. So to start that setup, I'm going to pick which light I want to set to my master light, so I'll go with this one right here. Before I start though, I'm going to make sure that both of my lights are set to the same DMX channel mode by going into the settings, selecting the DMX channel option, and picking between 6 channel or 10 channel mode. For today, let's go with 10 channel mode. So now from here, I'm going to pick which light I want to use as my master light. So for today, let's go with this light here. And from there, I can select which color I want to set it to. But for today, we're going to set it to the color red. Again, make sure that we do this on both of our lights here. So next, I'm going to want to set my lights to the same wireless DMX signal by using the button on the back of the light that says wireless DMX signal. I'm then going to go to the slave light here and select the DMX address. And for today, I'm going to use A001. And then after that, you'll notice that the wireless DMX signal on our master light flashes red, while the wireless DMX signal on our slave light flashes green. And if you want to set up even more slave lights, you're just going to follow the same exact steps. So now on my master light, I can go into any mode or color. So for example, I can go into the sound mode here, select any of the 4 sound modes, and now if I make some sound, you'll see that the master light is picking up the sound while the slave light follows. And this will work for any mode or color we set our master light to. So if I set my master light to the auto color mode, you'll see that the slave light is following and doing the same exact thing. We can also use the master slave feature by setting them up through DMX cables. So to do that, I'm going to take the male end of my DMX cable and plug it into the DMX out on my master light. Then I'm going to plug the other end into the DMX in on the slave light. From here, I'm going to want to set my lights to the same DMX address and the same DMX channel. So again, we'll use A001 as our DMX address, and we'll set both lights to 10 channel DMX mode. So now if I go to my master light and set it to any mode or color, you'll see now that our second light's going to follow. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the Master Slave feature with your Bespar 60 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.